In today's video, I'm going to show you the best, most efficient way to clean your makeup brushes. It's very important that you're cleaning your makeup brushes because if you're not, then that's going to cause so many skin problems and irritations, including acne. So we need to make sure that we are, number one, keeping our brushes clean, and number two, doing it in a way that's going to preserve the life of your brush because makeup brushes are expensive and the last thing you want to do is damage or break them. So without further ado, let's get started and I will show you how I clean my makeup brushes. I recommend using a gray or colored towel for this process, so you will need a clean towel. This is not a sponsored video, I'm honestly just sharing the best technique that I have found to clean my brushes. I use the Sephora Daily Brush Cleaner. I literally do this after every time I film a tutorial, so I'm cleaning my brushes quite often and I don't have time to sit at the bathroom sink and scrub each and every brush. So this is honestly the best way that I can kill bacteria and germs and also effectively remove makeup from my brushes. So what I do is I take the towel and I will take the spray and I will spray 10 This is an alcohol-free brush cleaner and it's quick drying. So literally if I need to quick change a brush for a different look, I can do this really quickly and I don't have to wait for the brush to dry. So after I have sprayed 10 sprays onto this towel, I will take the brush and I will just go back and forth on the brush, on the towel, until nothing else is coming off of the brush. And literally, like, this brush is clean. That's it. Now, okay, yeah, it was pretty easy, right? That's a smaller brush, but I can even take, like, my flat top kabuki, which has a ton of foundation, and I will just go back and forth with my flat top kabuki brush until, and another thing that I do want to point out is I'm not holding my brushes by the wood part or the handle. I'm holding them by the ferrule because obviously, common sense, this is glued together, so if you're scrubbing that hard on the wood part, you're gonna break your brush no matter what brush it is. So just hold it by the ferrule, which is closest to the bristles, and then you just want to go in little motions, either back and forth or circles. And I just want to show you guys how much product comes out. This was a dry towel, so I only have the Sephora brush cleaner spray, and this is not a sponsored video. I just want you guys to know how easy it is to keep your brushes clean. It's honestly the best feeling to have fresh, clean brushes for every makeup application. So when I discovered this technique, I was so happy, so excited, and I really am excited to share this with you guys. So now I have all of this foundation out of this brush. This one's ready to go for my next makeup application, and I just repeat that process with all the other brushes. Literally, like, now it's a clean brush. So basically this is what you're left with, and depending on how many brushes you have, of course you might need a bigger towel, but I do recommend that you use a darker color versus white. And that's pretty much it. So now I have all of these clean new brushes ready to go for my next tutorial, all thanks to this amazing brush cleaner spray by Sephora. So thank you, Sephora, for creating this. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and if you do have any additional questions about how to use this spray or care for your brushes, please leave them in the comments below. I do recommend, if you're not cleaning your brushes after every time you use them, at least once a week, especially your flat top kabuki and your powder brushes, because you don't want bacteria building up into your brushes, causing any kind of inflammation, acne, skin irritation, or congestion in your skin. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.